Then we're going to take an uptrend for about a minute because actually, no, I'm going to wait. I don't like how these candles are small like that.
That's what she said. Michael.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another trading session. Today we're gonna show you guys another technique, but never forgetting technical analysis, which we'll always do in every trading that we do. You know, these indicators I'm about to use, always with any indicators, use only as a secondary method. Technical analysis should always be number one, no matter what. So don't rely on these indicators, just use them as a guide. If you see in the screen here, as you can see, we are now at $786.83. I've been trading these last couple of days to try and bring up the balance. And you'll notice that I don't always make a video every time I trade. It's just, you know, it'll be the same thing. Whenever I find a new method, that's probably when I'll do a video. And also if I decide to increase my goal slowly and something more impactful, you know, like, so in this case, my goal for today is to try and turn this $786 into $1,000 today. I think I can do that in 3 trades if I compound my investments, which if you guys are beginners, do not do unless you are confident and don't mind what will happen if it goes the other way. So just know that this is a decision I'm making for today, but it is a risky decision nonetheless. So before we move forward, let me go and show you guys my settings. So we got 3 indicators. We have the moving average, which as you can see here, it's a period of 50, and we're going to use weighted moving average, WMA. Styles, I made it white with 2 pixels just so we can see it, but you can leave it as is or change it the way you wish. And then we're going to use another indicator called the marker. Leave it at 14. If it's not 14, change it to 14. And the styles, make sure it says 70 and 30, and I just thicken the lines just so I can see it. And then the third indicator is our trusty stochastic oscillator, but the difference is we'll leave the 14 as is. If it's not 14, change it to 14. Leave it to 3, but this was a 3, change it to 4. And moving average, change it to weighted moving average again. And styles, make sure it says 80-20 and just leave everything as is, or change it if you want the colors, weight thickness, line thickness, whatever. Okay, that's it. So basically we want, and the candlesticks, we're using candlesticks at 30 seconds, and the expiration will be 2 minutes or 1 minute depending on the situation, and then whatever amount you want to use. But basically we're gonna see how these charts react. And in this chart, for instance, you can see if the candles are above the moving average, and then if you see both the marker and oscillator going on an upwards direction, most likely the candles will be in an uptrend. And the opposite is true. If you see the candles below the moving average and you see the marker and oscillators going downwards past the oversold position or overbought, sorry, then it's most likely going for a downtrend. But as always, couple that with your technical analysis, your resistance lines and support lines. So I'm going to do here. Right now I have Australian dollar and the United States dollar. So that was the previous resistance. Obviously it broke through that and it seems to keep going up. We now have a new resistance line right here. If we pull back, let's see if there was anything, nope. So that's a brand new one and it has broken through that. Now, I could have taken, if this was over here, I could have taken an uptrend or an up trade, but I'm not, because this could keep going up or this could start going down, and it might do a pullback, but it might still keep going up. Looking at the indicators, looks like it's going to go down to the overbought positions, so it's going to go down for a little bit, but I think this is a continued uptrend. So if I draw a trend line, bear with me here, trend line, that's so, I mean, it's an ugly trend line, but I think it's gonna bounce off the trend line and then go back up again, if not already. So let's wait and see if it goes down just a little bit. Then we're gonna take an uptrend for about a minute, because actually no, I'm gonna wait. I don't like how these candles are small like that, because that tells me there might be a small flat or consolidation and might go the other direction. So it broke that trend a little bit. So I think let's just wait. That's a bearish engulfing pattern. I'm thinking it's gonna go back down. Just wait. I think it's gonna go down. All right, so let's fast forward. Maybe I win this trade, maybe I don't, but we'll just see. Let's go. Okay, 10 seconds left. I think we made the right decision here. Don't be hasty. It might bounce right up. And we are good. We're in the clear. All right, so we made $24 in profit right there. I could have bet more, which I will now. I'm gonna compound this, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. Let's make this 81.51. So if we make this, actually let's go big here. Let's go 11. Nope. 11. Okay, so 102. Maybe we can do 2. Let's do 2. All right, 194. Okay, that will definitely get us above 2,000. Now this will be one last trade, obviously, and I still think it's gonna go down some more here. Based on this, we'll do 1 minute, because here's the support line, or the previous support. If I'm wrong, then I obviously lost quite a bit of profit, so that's very risky, but I think it's gonna go down. So all we can do is wait and see. Let's go. Okay, I think we're in the clear here. We got 8 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, there we go. We made our goal, over $1,000. That's it, we're done. We are done for today. So for our next one, we'll do 50. That's for another video. So, you know, I could go again. This looks like a good chart, but like I said before, meet your goal. If your goal is to make $100, if your goal is to make $50 for the day, stick to that. Even though you're feeling like you're in a roll, that can quickly change. Trust me on that. just stick to your goal. If you want to shoot for the stars and, you know, triple your money, go for it. No one's stopping you, but be careful with that. For me, like I said, look at that. I mean, like just looking at the indicators and the moving average, although not really specifically showing that's going down, the two indicators are, and I can tell it broke through the support zone here, and that is gonna go back up again eventually, or it'll just keep going down, but it might go back down to the original support that we had here, or these other this older support down here. It could go either way, and that's another reason why I'm stopping. I mean, I could go to another chart, a much more clarified chart where the indicator or the signals are a lot better, but I am stopping for today, and I met my goal, so we'll just play another day. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button for me, help me out, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. That way I can make more videos like this and it can be shown to the masses. And with the YouTube algorithm, you just never know. But if you can do those two things for me, and also a third thing, hit that notification bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. If you could do all that for me, that's all I ask. I'll continue to give you guys free content. Hopefully these are informative, but know that again, this is just for entertainment purposes. This is not to replace any financial advice or trading advice. I am not that guy. I just want to entertain you all and maybe inspire you guys to do the same. But again, that's on your own accord, on your own responsibility. Whatever happens, happens, okay? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Until the next trading video, take care, protect your balance, and God bless. Bye-bye.